How to install and use Apollo IO extension on Chrome. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to get the Apollo IO extension and get it to be working for your Chrome. So the first thing is just going to be, before that, you actually do need one thing in order for it to work, is that you need to have your Apollo IO account. If you don't have one, it's not going to work, obviously. So just go ahead and create one if you don't have one already. And let's just go ahead and get to the next step. So we can just go to the Chrome store. Basically, we can just do it from here, or if you don't find it, you can just basically search for it. So just go to Chrome Web Store. And once you're in the Chrome Web Store here, you can just go ahead and search for it. So Apollo IO. And you should find this one right here at the top, by Apollo IO. Just remember, you don't want to go for anyone else. You want to go for this one, which is created by Apollo.io. So make sure you select the proper one. So in here, you can obviously read more about it, see what it actually does and allows you to do with the extension, which is most likely, and what you're actually going to be using it for is get data, track emails, connect with other people from, getting their emails and stuff. Mostly you're going to be using this with LinkedIn, but it's not only going to be working with LinkedIn. You can use it in different applications as well. So anyways, regardless of that, you can just go and click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension. It shouldn't really take too long here, and just going to install it for us on our Google Chrome. By the way, you don't really need to be on Google Chrome in order to do so. As long as you can access the Chrome Web Store, you can actually install it. So once you do that, it's actually going to take you here. We're just going to, show us a little bit around about the product, which is the extension here, and it shows you once you actually click on somebody's profile in LinkedIn, for example. You can actually see on the right panel, you will see save contact, view email address. It's just going to show you a lot of information about that specific person. So it is going to be working that way. So let's just go ahead and exit out of here real quick. And if you just go to the extensions tab at the top, you can actually see Apollo.io. You can pin it, feel free to do so if you wanted to use it. And then once you click on it for the first time, you will need to actually click on login and sign into your account with Apollo. So just go ahead and allow me to sign into my account, and then we can just go ahead and continue. Okay, great. So once you actually sign in, that tab is actually going to go away, and then we're back to it. So if you just go ahead and click on Apollo.io, you will find extension enablement. If you click on that, you will see the websites that it's actually going to be working on, mainly LinkedIn, Gmail, Google Calendar, and also all websites. You can feel free to turn off on specifics, but yeah. So I'm just going to try to go to LinkedIn and show you how it's actually going to look like. Okay, so once you open up a specific account, this is just me, my test account here. And if you see this tab here, that means it's actually working. And if you click on it, it's actually going to give you the information that is available for that specific person. Now, this account, I did not really add anything to it, so it says this. But if you just go to a proper account, it's actually going to show you all the information needed, much like the picture we saw previously. So this is pretty much all for Apollo IO extension. Hopefully you found this video to be informative, and thanks for watching.